Hope you were well. Let's start about the job circular from Bank Asia Bangladesh. Be a part of our internal control and compliance team. First, the designation is here. Head of Internal Controls and Compliance. Job responsibilities is given here. You can see job grade Senior Executive Vice President. Minimum qualification and experience, masters in any discipline, preferably in business background with good academic record. Candidates having professional qualification like CA, CMA, CIA, CFA will be given preference. At least 15 years of banking experience, including 5 years as divisional head in a scheduled commercial bank. So you have to be experienced well to apply this designation. After that, concurrent audit officials. Job responsibilities to identify and rectify lapses to avoid long-term non-compliance, to examine books of accounts, records and register to ensure that they are maintained in accordance with the prescribed systems. Job grade SO or ACO, minimum qualifications and experience, postgraduate from any reputed university with business discipline having no third class or division, partly qualified CA, CMA, ACCA will be given preference. At least 5 years working experience in audit and inspection department. Candidates must have IT related knowledge and ability to operate core banking software CBS. After that, there is another designation which is Head of Concurrent Audit. Job responsibilities is given here. You can see this if you want to apply. Job grade ACO, AVP, minimum qualifications and experience MBA or MCOM with good academic result from any UGC approved university, qualified, partly qualified professional accountant, CA, CMA, ACCA with sound banking knowledge and experience. At least 8 years experience in banking industry is essential. The final designation is ICCD Secretariat Officials. Job responsibilities is given here and job grade is SO or ACO, minimum qualifications, postgraduate from any reputed university with having no ICCD company secretariat, relevant areas in the bank or reputed companies. Candidates must have good IT knowledge. For further details, you can visit the Bank Asia website, bankasia-bd.com/about/career available jobs, or scan the QR code. You can scan the QR code from here. I will zoom it for you that you can scan, or if you cannot scan, I will give the website link in the description box below, that you can go directly to the website and know about the job circular, or you can apply easily. Application procedure. Candidates who meet the above requirements are invited to send their updated resume with cover letter to the following address mentioning the name of the position in the envelope: People's Management Division, Bank Asia Limited, Bank Asia Tower, Level 2. The address is given here. Last date of submission of the application December 15, 2020. So if you wish to apply, you have to apply before December 15, 2020. So get ready for apply if you want to apply. And that's all for today. Thanks for watching. See you soon.